E is for experiment. Today I'm going to do a small experiment using white distilled vinegar and pure baking soda. Please do not try this at home without parental permission and supervision. I opened the baking soda and I'm going to pour a little bit into the cup. Next, I'm going to pour a little vinegar into the baking soda and we will see what happens. As you can see, when the vinegar touches the baking soda, it causes a reaction similar to when you open a soda that someone shook up before you opened it. I made sure to use only a little bit of baking soda and a little bit of vinegar so that it would not overflow onto the surface the cup was resting on.